Hi everyone, how are you all doing? Hope you're doing well. Today I just want to bring a quick update on the Facebook stock. I already did a full video explaining why I'm invested in this specific company, giving my reasons, my fundamental analysis, and as always, this is not financial advice. I am just publicly documenting my personal investment decisions for one specific portfolio. This is just a long-term and old net worth accumulation portfolio, whatever you want to call it. Every time I make a decision or to buy a share or something, I post in my Instagram page cadete.invest, and then I decide to make some YouTube videos about it explaining why I'm doing so. Having that said, I already did my fundamental analysis in the previous video where I said that the Facebook's fair value according to the DCF, the discounted free cash flow method, Facebook should be worth, each share should be worth around $327, and I bought them at $279. Again, that was before the Facebook earnings, so I did all my predictions without knowing the Q4 of 2020, the last quarter of 2020, and I was a bit conservative in my expectations. And now that we have access to the earning reports of Facebook, which were published in the 27th of January, I had to recalculate or change some values in my Excel spreadsheet, and now I think the fair value is around 339, more or less, because they did beat my expectations, but the stock is falling like crazy. And I decided to buy another share at 257.50 cents. And you can see it in my Instagram page exactly when I do it, at what strike price, and so on. All those details that if you want to know, if you're interested, consider checking the page for that. And yes, because this is a long-term play and I do want to hold some shares of this specific company, so instead of buying them at one specific point in time, I'm just dollar cost averaging my positions. So I bought one at 279, now at 257. If the stock drops lower, I will continue buying. If the stock goes higher, I will also continue buying. I am just like averaging my costs because I do think this stock is really undervalued, and the earnings, the Mark Zuckerberg also threw some shade to Apple. Maybe that's what's driving the stock down. Also, there's the problem with the lawsuits, the antitrust lawsuit, the monopoly claims, and so on and so forth. But I remain optimistic in this stock. Like I said in the previous video, I do expect a lot of volatility, at least in the short term. This is not going to be an easy stock to hold because you'll see all these fluctuations in the share price. But that's my personal decision and I'm just sharing it with you. Tell me what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.